Some real money gaming apps generate far fewer user complaints because they have clear payout rules, stable gameplay, and established customer support instead of making players guess what happens to their money. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that consistently have stronger reputations, and what to check before you deposit any cash. The biggest thing to remember is that no real money game is complaint-free. Every platform has users who report issues, but the difference is how often those problems happen, and whether the company explains its rules clearly. First is in Bingo Cash. It's one of the better-known skill-based bingo games. Players usually mention smooth gameplay and straightforward withdrawals when they follow the app's verification requirements. Before entering paid tournaments, complete your account verification and read the withdrawal policy, so you know exactly what documents may be required. Second is On Solitaire Cash-In. This app has been around for years and attracts players who prefer classic solitaire with cash tournaments. Many complaints come from users who misunderstand eligibility rules or location restrictions, so check that paid competitions are available where you live before adding money. Third is in Bubble Cash-In. The game focuses on bubble shooting competitions instead of card games. Players often praise the simple controls and familiar tournament format. If you decide to play, start with free matches first, so you understand how scoring works before entering paid contests. Now let's look at 2 more. Blackout Bingo is another long-running skill-based title. It combines traditional bingo with fast-paced gameplay and offers both free and paid competitions. Reading the tournament rules before entering can prevent confusion about scoring and prize eligibility. Finally, Point21 Blitzing mixes blackjack strategy with solitaire mechanics. The game has built a loyal player base because it rewards skill rather than random bonus mechanics. Spend time learning the scoring system in practice mode before risking real money. No matter which game you choose, there are a few habits that reduce problems. Download the app from the official App Store, verify your identity early, read the withdrawal terms before depositing, and keep screenshots of transactions if you ever need support. To sum it up, Bingo Cash, Solitaire Cash, Bubble Cash, Blackout Bingo, and 21 Blitz all have stronger reputations than many newer competitors because of their established platforms and transparent rules. Your next step is to compare their gameplay styles and start with free matches before spending money. If this guide helped you choose the right game, like the video, and subscribe for more honest app comparisons and step-by-step tutorials.